Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you how to use the useState hook into our React.js application. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest React.js updates. So guys, here we go. So guys, use state hook first. Here is my code, and now I will do the proper functionality with the number count on button click. So here we go. Very first we need to import the useState hook like this. Import useState on React. Great. Guys, I have used Booster 5 for better look. And now I will write down proper function. So guys, let's add the state variable. Guys, use a hook for managing and handling the variable. First, I will create the variable like 02 first count and then set count is equal to useState function, and our initial value will be 0. And let me show you the easy understanding like constant is my state and set state is equal to use state, and let's come my initial value like our is 0. And now I will do the button click functionality inside container. Very simple. Button name will be counts, and type button. And now I will do conflict function event like conflict will be my function name like enter click. Now we will write down the function name, and the click will use arrow function. Very simple guys, and there we will do set count, means set state. Set count. Very simple, count plus 1, save it, and we will check. So guys, very first initial value will be render like our is 0, and we will check. See guys, 0, click 0 time, 0 because we initialize 0. Let me add the class. If I will add here 1, then there will be 1. See, now I'm going to click, and you can see the state changes like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See guys, so I set initial value is 0. Then changing the click event, the count updating. See guys, very simple. So here you can see use state hook in React. And guys, we can use any, like we can use here strings value, arrays, number, and object, and much more as well. Now I'm using number. So guys, for this you just need to have basic knowledge like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to understand the idea behind this. And I must sure this will be helpful to for beginners as well. So guys, used as hook works by handling and managing state into your applications. So guys, I hope you understood very well. See, very simple. He will declare the state, first state and then set state. And set state works like on updating and rendering again and again, like I'm doing on click function. And guys, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. Guys, after it, I will come with more hooks. And if you know more about it, then please do comment on this. And if you want to learn more about React, then here's my blog, therichpost.com. You can visit here and you can search for React as well. Like here, React tutorials and much more. So guys, that's it. And after it, I will come with more React stuff as well. So thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.